How AI thinks, explained in simple words. AI doesn't think like humans, but it also doesn't guess. AI feels smart, but it doesn't think like a human. In this video, I'll explain how AI thinks using simple words and not technical terms. What AI is, very simple. AI is a system trained on large amounts of data. It learns patterns, not emotions or opinions. AI doesn't understand, meaning it predicts what comes next. How AI learns. AI learns by seeing millions of examples. Just like a child learns by repetition, AI learns by training. The more data it sees, the better it becomes. How AI makes decisions. AI doesn't decide like humans. It calculates probabilities and chooses the most likely result. That's why AI can be fast, but also wrong sometimes. What AI cannot do. AI cannot think independently, feel emotions, understand right or wrong. It only follows patterns it has learned. Why this matters? If you understand how AI works, you won't fear it. You'll know when to trust it and when not to. AI is a tool, not a brain. Subscribe to AI Made Simple for clear and easy AI explanations.